It's a boy Triple L TV. Here again with another fun vin. This one is said, try not to laugh. So let's who can keep it silent. So let's get to the video now.
No, I can't help but think of you. Maybe in time.
That's so you can't sing one.
You can win.
Sing one.
But right now, being you.
So you get off a table. Come off a table with the singing.
Maybe we can see.
So you get off a table. Come off a table with the singing. What? Tell her come off the table. Tell her come off the table. Go on, listen. Adi as well. Bite rock stone. Look here now. Broke your back. You broke your backside. Come off of the floor, man.
Oh, God.
If you didn't listen, man.
I shouldn't do it. Oh, God.
I bet you learn now. Hello? 911? Yeah, we called for emergency. This lady was on the table dancing, spinning. It's like she performing some strip dance and all that. And then she'd make a wrong turn and fall off the table. I think she hurt herself really bad because she big. She dropped right on her backside. Yes, I think she hurt her right now. She did a cry on the ground like crazy. Yes. No, she not did it. Yes, me again now. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. It's a boy, Triple L TV. See you later. See you again. Next vin. Peace out.
You and you want rap phone. Yo, that a something when me can't condone.